Thousands of people every day dive into side hustles only to burn out or quit without ever seeing real success. So, what separates those who actually make it from those who don't? It's not just about working hard or even working smart. It's about choosing the right opportunities that match your strengths, fit your lifestyle, and can scale beyond the side hustle label. Today, we're breaking down 5 side hustles you can start right now that don't just add a little extra cash, but have the potential to turn into long-term, scalable income sources. These are not your typical ideas. Each one brings something unique to the table, so get ready to find your next big opportunity. Number 1, freelance content writing. No, I'm not just talking about churning out blog posts for pennies. Companies, creators, and brands are constantly searching for writers who can deliver engaging content that speaks directly to their audience. With the rise of AI, quality writing has become even more valuable because audiences crave authenticity. Take Laura, who started small, working for magazines and gradually building her reputation. She turned her expertise into a copywriting empire, charging up to $9.50 an hour. Now, even without years of experience, you can get started by creating a portfolio on Medium or Twitter, sharing your unique voice, and pitching directly to brands and influencers. If you're just starting, create sample posts that showcase different tones and styles. Try LinkedIn or Reddit for freelance gigs, as the competition is lower than on larger platforms. Number 2, website building. With today's tools, you don't need a computer science degree to build professional-looking websites. Platforms like Hostinger now offer AI-driven tools that allow you to create stunning sites in hours, not weeks. Plus, with small businesses eager to establish an online presence, the demand is through the roof. I read about an entrepreneur who started by creating simple website designs for friends and small businesses on Etsy for around $500 per project. After refining her skills and building up a portfolio, she now runs her own web design business and earns 6 figures. Start by learning the basics of design and layout. Host a personal portfolio site to showcase your best work, even if you're starting small. Consider offering a niche service. For example, sites for artists, coaches, or e-commerce stores. This helps you stand out from the generic web designer crowd. Number 3, video editing for creators. This is where creativity meets high demand. With short-form video taking over platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, brands need video editors who can make their content pop in under 60 seconds. And the creator economy isn't slowing down. Creators who focus on quality content often hire editors to help them produce more. Imagine cold emailing a YouTuber with a polished re-edit of one of their videos. One editor I know did this, landed a high-paying gig, and now works full-time as a freelance video editor. It's all about standing out by adding value immediately. If you're new to editing, check out tutorials for popular editing software like DaVinci Resolve, which is free and highly capable. Then join video editing communities to get feedback on your work and connect with potential clients. Platforms like Upwork or even Twitter can also be valuable, but remember, direct outreach often works best. Number 4, community management. Now, let's talk about community management. This isn't just moderating comments. It's about creating an engaging environment where people feel connected. From Discord servers to Slack groups, companies and creators are building communities to keep their audience loyal and engaged. Imagine getting paid to support a community centered around one of your interests, whether it's fitness, gaming, or personal finance. An acquaintance of mine runs a popular book club on Discord, something she loves, and she earns about $30 an hour for doing it, part-time. Engage with communities you're already a part of, offer to take on small moderation tasks, and build up your resume. Sites like Circle and Discord often have job boards where community managers can find work in specific niches. Number 5, virtual assistant for solopreneurs. Becoming a virtual assistant for a solopreneur. This role goes beyond just administrative tasks. A good VA can transform their client's day-to-day life by handling project planning, scheduling, and even branding. For a lot of solopreneurs, hiring a VA is like getting a business partner who keeps things running smoothly. I knew someone who started by offering basic support to a popular online coach. She began with tasks like email management and social media posting, but quickly took on larger responsibilities. As their relationship grew, so did her paycheck, and now she's a full-time operations manager. If you're organized and have a knack for project management, start by offering services on LinkedIn or in Facebook groups dedicated to small business owners. Showcase specific skills you have, like social media management or scheduling, and consider building a portfolio of tasks you can help with. These 5 side hustles are not just about making extra cash, they're about building skills and assets that can evolve into full-fledged careers. The key takeaway? Focus on something that fits your skills and goals, but also has room to grow. So, which of these side hustles speaks to you? Let me know in the comments below.